So I just woke up and we're going to Jay's birthday party today at the beach. Okay, you know your phone always fucking dies when you're at the beach. So like I found a portable charger and I was charging it, and then I found out this morning that I didn't even plug it in. So let's go to the beach. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I would have been copyrighted if I put the music in. I don't really know how it works, but I'm too lazy to look it up. So yeah, they're just not gonna have music.
Jesus touched Jesus' red bottom, Jesus' bloody shoes. I was so that I did a boat. I was hard to, I was quick, I was also, that we got.
Beach now. Go! Matthew! You're my teammate! Sacrifice your body for the ball! I know. Sorry, I go hard. Wait, you should go in the front. Nice, sir. So we were playing volleyball, and then I looked down, and my fucking toenail fell off. So update. Just went swimming for like an hour. Chantal, show yourself. I threw up. I threw up, but I swallowed it, so it's okay. So just Chantal literally threw up. And then it was so funny. I wish I could record it. It's for my vlog.
Hey guys, so the waves are pretty crazy.
Wait, okay. So Matthew got stuck under the water. This bitch was drowning, and his knee started bleeding. But I want to.
Send this to our parents.
Look at your face! Ow!
You fucking hit your head.
This hasn't even started. Just got out of the ocean, and the Coast Guard told us to come in because we're too far out. We were bad. I feel like a baddie, low key, like surfer girl.
Oh my god, you're literally purposely not getting her.
That wasn't. Well, because she wasn't. She wasn't part of us. Sorry. We're like surfer girls now. I kind of love it.
Oh, we're
Big Kahuna.
Cowabunga, bro. We were going so deep in the waves, the lifeguards had to tell us, you need to stop, you're gonna get hurt, and the tides are gonna pull you in.
It was dangerous.
Yeah.
I like danger. I live for danger. No, it looks so good. She went swimming in the ocean. Look at her makeup.
Oh, really?
And then Madison.
Okay.
Hey, I didn't have makeup from the start. Oh my god, I can't believe you're actually asking.
I'm so.
What the fuck? They actually gave him pizza. I love pizza. I did not center my marshmallow. The proportion is so uneven.
I taste sand in mine. I dropped my graham cracker.
Ew.
Push and hold.
Ready?
Go, yeah.
I'm just killing him. Wait,
I'll do it.
you have to do it abruptly.
Really fast. Oh my god. Dude, what is
What's
I
it?
pressed go already.
Wait, which one? Send me the...
Oh my god.
Wait, what?
1, 2, 3, go. Okay.
Yeah, go.
Why am I the last person? I know, that'll be last time.
Wait, are you guys doing the thing or no?